Teaching staff information. Teaching staff information. Teaching staff information is same as for college, standalone and university. Before entering the data, please read the instruction carefully and fill the data accordingly. Enter the country name. If you select the country name India, then passport number is not mandatory. Other than India, passport number is mandatory. Select faculty name, department name, employee name. Employee name means name of the teacher. Designation, gender, date of birth. Select one by one. Here all the fields are mandatory. PWD, nature of appointment, selection mode. Date of joining teaching profession. Date of joining. Highest qualification. Additional qualification. Board discipline group category. Board discipline group name. Whether vocational course, if you have then yes, otherwise no. Year of experience. After fill all the fields, click on the add button. Same name, email and mobile number could not be allowed. Now click on the add button. This record has been saved successfully. Now here we have a two teachers detail. If you want to edit the teachers, then you click on the edit button. If you want to delete the teacher, then you can click on the delete button, and record has been deleted. Now here we have only a one teacher. Now click on submit. Lock this page. All page is locked mandatory. After staff details lock, designation by sensor strength will be visible. In position is automatically come by the staff details. You can enter the sensor strength and vocational course. Now click on the save, then lock. Lock it. After teaching staff, come to the non-teaching information. Non-teaching information is also same as for college, standalone and university. Here we select the staff type. Library staff, group C and sensor strength. Fill the data accordingly. Journal category total. Female should not be greater than total. Transgender also should not be greater than total. EWS category out of general category. SC category, ST, OBC. After fill the data, click on the add button. This record has been updated successfully. If you want to edit the details, then you click on the edit button. If you want to delete this record, then click on the delete button. You can edit the information. Click on the update. Now the record has been updated. After that, click on the lock button. Teaching and non-teaching staff details same as for college, standalone and university.